Hello everyone, welcome to Kaylee family. I am Professor Rashmi RP. I am dealing with Business Studies subject. Today we will discuss the first unit, Business, Trade and Commerce. First, we will discuss the concept of business. So, the term business is derived from the word busy. Thus, business means being a busy. Here, a normal word, the business refers to an occupation in which a people regularly engaged in activity with the view to earn a profit. So, why the business has started? Having a objective to earn a profit. So, the term business means it is one of a activity or it is one of a occupation in which the people regularly engaged. It means in that activity people are going to engage or they are going to do the work in the business to earn a profit. So why the business has started? The business has started having some intention to earn a profit. So why the business has started? See a student, the business has started to earn a profit. That is the main objective or the intention of the business. So remember, a business is derived from the word busy. It means being a busy. So where we are busy, we are busy in the some activity or the in some occupation, that's called as the a business. Business refers to an occupation in which a people regularly. It means they are regularly working in the particular work or the in a particular activity. Regularly they are going to work in a particular activity and in a particular work, that is called as the a business. Why they are doing that activity? To having some intention. What is their intention? To earning a profit is the intention of the business. Okay, so this is the concept of business. So the business means a business is a legally recognized organization. It means if you are going to start a business, first you want to be register your name under the Companies Act, okay, and designed to provide a goods or the services or both to the consumer, a business and a governmental entities. So here see a student, a business means it is the one of the occupation or it is one of a activity. It is having a legal recognition. It means businesses are having their own legal recognition in the organization and they have started, they have designed to. Why they have started? To provide the some services and to sell the goods. Remember here students, goods are to be sold and services are to be provided to the customer, because if the person want to be live, then he required some the basic needs. What he required? He required some basic needs like the food, shelter, cloth. So that all we cannot be produced. For that reason we are dependent on the businesses. We are going to purchase that all the things from the businesses. It means the person who is selling the goods and services, he is called as a seller and he is going to sell that goods and services for the reason to earn a profit. Why they have started? The business has started to earn a profit. That is their main intention or the a goal of the business is to earn a profit. Through that they are providing the services to the customer. Okay, that is regarding to the a meaning of business. Okay, so remember here student, business means being a busy in a some occupation or in any activity, that's called as the a business. Okay, so let's move to the next concept. The business activity may be broadly classified into a two category, that is economic activity and the non-economic activity. So see a student, a business activity has to be divided into two category, that is economic activity and non-economic activity. Let's move to the meaning. Economic activities are those by which we can earn or livelihoods. So remember here students, economic activities are those activity which we can earn our livelihoods. It means through the help of economic activity we are going to get a profit. So any business has started to earn a profit, then it's called as the economic activity. The main intention of economic activity to earn a profit only. Okay, the intention of starting a business is to earn a profit. Okay, so that is called as the economic activity. So economic activities, these activities making a purchases or the selling a goods or a services to having the intention to earn a profit. See here we are having in the picture, we are going to see here selling, buying, distribution of goods, working for the money, making a something to them to sell. It means they are producing the goods to sell. So remember, economic activities are those activities which are started to earn a profit. The intention of economic activity to earn a profit. So that may be you can do the purchases or you can do the sales, anything which you have done in the business, that is if you are having the intention to earn a profit, then it's called as the economic activity. Okay, so next we are having non-economic activity. Already I have explained about the business activities are to be divided into two categories, that is economic activity and the non-economic activity. Non-economic activities are those performed out of love, sympathy and sentiment and patriotism. So why the non-economic activities are started? Like non-economic activities are those activities performed out of love, affections. Okay, so there is no any intention to earn a profit. They have started to they have started to render the services to the public, not to earn a profits. So non-economic activities are those activities performed out of love, sympathy, sentiments and patriotism. Okay, so these are the meaning regarding to the economic activities and non-economic activity. So once again I will repeat here student, economic activities are those activity which we can earn our livelihoods. It means they have started to earn a profit. But non-economic activities are started to render a services out of love and sympathy. Okay, so with the help of this picture we are going to see that economic activity. See here, one person is going to sell the a pizza for to earn a profit, but here mother is preparing the food out of love and mother is not having a intention to earn a profit, but here the person is having the intention to earn a profit. It means what, economic activities are started to earn a profit and non-economic activities are started to render a services out of love and sympathy. Okay, so this is regarding to the economic activities and the non-economic activities. Okay, so let's move to the next. Here there is a differentiation between the economic activities and non-economic activity, a meaning. First we will see the meaning of economic activity. Those activity whose aim is to earn a money, it means to earn a profit, who are having the intention to earn a profit, then they called as the economic events. So next we are having non-economic activity, those activity whose aim to not to earn a money and to create a wealth, but satisfy a social, to satisfy the social, physiological and emotional needs. So non-economic activities are those activities which are started to render the services and to provide the safety to the social, social and physiological and emotional needs to the people. That's called as the non-economic activities. Okay, so we are having the examples of economic and non-economic activity. Here we are having example, teacher teaching in the school. Okay, people working in a factories. Why they are working? The people are working in a factory to earn a profit or to get a salary. A teacher is teaching in a school to get a salary. Okay, next comes to the non economic activity. A teacher teaches his or her son or a daughter at a home. Why they are why they are providing the teaching, the why the teacher is teaching to her child? Because to give the services, to give the education to their child, but there is no any intention to earn a profit, but teacher is working having some intention, that is to get a salary. Okay, and a housewife cook food for the her family. Why the mothers are cooking? The mothers are cooking in our house to render the services. So why the mother is going to cook in the home or in the family? Because to provide the services to their child. Okay, to give the love to their child. For that reason a housewife is cooking a food in her family. So this is the differentiation between the economic and non-economic activity. Remember here student, economic activities are those activity which are doing for the reason to earn a profit only, then it's called as the economic events. And non-economic events are those events which are started to render the services and to provide the love and affection to the family, then it's called as the non-economic activity. Okay, so here we are having a economic activity and non-economic activity. See here, a production, consumption, investment, exchange and distribution. And non-economic activity, a social, religion, political, charitable, parental. So these are the some of the examples for the economic activities and non-economic activities. So this is the meaning and example of the economic activity and non-economic activity. So I will show you one picture, through that you are going to understand. Here a business may be defined as an economic activity involving the a purchase of the purchase, production and selling of goods and services with the move of earning a profit by satisfying the human needs in the society. So what happens here? See a student, people are having some demands, some needs. That needs and demands are to be fulfilled through the help of business. So business may be defined as it is a one of a activity. Which activity? It is a one of a economic activity. Already I have explained about the economic activity. No, economic activity means any activity which are started to earn a profit, then it's called as the economic activity. So business is one of the economic activity which involves in the purchase and production. Here what happens, a business cannot be produce entire products, but they are going to purchase that product from the manufacturing. They are going to purchase the goods from the manufacturing, and some are going to produce and some are going to sell that goods and provide the services with the motive. It means they are having some goal. What is the goal? That is earning a profit. So that all the activity they have done to satisfy the human needs. Okay, so this is regarding to the business. And business is an economic activity. It is going to produce and sell and exchange of goods and services, dealing in goods. Okay, a profit earning, uncertainty of risk, element of risk. So these are the characteristics of business. Okay, so the remaining topics we will see in the next class.